It's quite a volatile day of trade. It's now 68.26 on the index, so we're off by just about 14 points thereabouts. For the Sensex too, we're flitting between the green and the red, and now it's just about quiet. You do have quite a few real estate and metal stocks. That's what's really leading the up move. The Bank Nifty futures pretty much mirroring what the frontline index is up to. DLF is taking charge, and that's really boosting the overall real estate basket up from the large caps at least. 157 thereabouts is where the counter's currently perched at. Lots of metal stocks doing well. So you've got Jindal Steel and Power, Tata Steel, Hindalco, Sesa Sterlite, the entire lot active. M&M's at 1061, HDFC as well as Reddy's looking strong. Bharti Airtel and some PSU banking stocks continuing the traction. So Bank of Baroda is one of them. SBI is looking pretty smart. And you also have an Axis Bank as well as ICICI Bank, both of which will be putting out their numbers today, currently holding up in the green. On the downside, though, you have quite a few oil and gas stocks, FMCG sulking in the session. So you've got Cairn India, clearly not a good response to the numbers. The counter is down by 5%. Ditto is the case with ACC and Ambuja. BPCL at 464. Ultratech Cement has reversed its earlier gains and is now off by 2%. Reliance Industries really seems to be weighing down on the index at 951. IDFC will be putting out its numbers today as well. Ahead of that, it's off by 1.5%. HUL, Wipro, Cipla, NTPC also a bit sluggish.